Greetings and welcome back to SmartWatch Ticks. It's another fun day and another fun unboxing, yes, with a fitness band. I'm going to tell you guys, we aren't getting as much excitement over these things as we have in the past, so I'm going to start phasing out doing videos on basic fitness bands. We have a few here. We definitely want to cover the ones that our sponsors have sent us. But unless there's something revolutionary, like they're going to start using transflective screens or some new biometric, we're probably not going to review the same old things again. Hope that's okay with you guys. This is called the QS100, and it comes to us from Geekbuying. And it's a relatively inexpensive, little over 20 bucks, all in all fitness band with a few different watch faces on it. In terms of highlights, it's a full color touch screen. It's got your standard sedentary and drink reminders. It's got pedometer, sleep monitoring, continuous heart rate monitoring. We're seeing that nowadays. Multi-sport management, so it can go into a variety of sports. It does blood pressure, blood oxygen, cooks your bacon, does just about everything. Income call reminder, but you're not going to read the messages, I don't believe. And there's different styles of dials available. It's IP67 water resistant. Basically, it's checking all of the boxes that we're looking for in an inexpensive standalone type of a fitness band. It has its tethering capability to the stock standard Fundu Pro app, and we have many reviews of that, so I won't be going into the app itself, but I will in the show notes have links to a few other videos I've done where you actually see the review of the app itself. Okay, let's take it off its nice little presentation box and open the band. It's a standard TPU type. This one's got an interesting highlight running down the edge, a bright reflective blue. And we can peel off the cover, revealing the band itself. Okay. Charging port, heart rate monitor, and that's pretty much about it. Let's look at what we've got in here. We have a charging dock, which is the clip-on kind. Now, some of them you've seen, you can actually just pull apart the edges and you can charge it that way. Other ones, you can lift it out of its little sleeve and, again, plug it in and charge it. Still other ones have a magnetic coupler, and this one has a clothespin apparatus. So you got to figure out which way it's going to go. Looks like there. Line it up and clip it on. Then plug that into your USB port and you can charge it up. Okay, so that's the band and the charger. And then finally in the box, we've got the manual in Chinese and in English. Let's find the English side and look through the instructions. The product description shows you the touch areas and the sensors. We get into introduction for use and how you download Fundu Pro. And there's the QR code. If you want to, you can scan that code or just go to the Google Play Store and download it directly. Like I said, it's a commonly used tethering app for many devices. If you have other devices, they may also tether to that as well. Good color manual, giving you lots of descriptions of what's going on. So nice to be able to follow this. You can come back and freeze frame if you want to anytime and read up on it. And the fine print, including the warranty information. Okay, let's clear everything out and get started. Well, one thing about this band is it's really light. It's got the twist to see the time capability and two different watch faces. This is the digital face. If I press and hold, I switch to an analog face. Then back again. So it's got the same complement standard pedometer steps, the distance traveled tied to those steps, the calories burned based on the distance traveled tied to those steps, and sleep monitoring from last night's sleeping activity. Then you get into the health section where if I press and hold, I will activate the diode in the back and calculate the pulse or heart rate from that PPG technology. We've seen that before. In fact, we've seen everything we're looking at before. It's kind of a common thing we see on these devices. And press and hold will take us back out of there. Then we get into the sports section. Pressing here, we have walking and running and climbing and cycling. Those are like your core ones. Then football, basketball, backgammon. Nice graphics on here, 3D rendered images. And we're back out of sports. Then we get into messaging, where if you have any push messages, they'll be there, and more. When you go into more, there's an about, and a reset, and a power off. And we're back to time. So that's pretty much what the band itself will do. And again, it tethers to the Fundu Pro app. And check the show notes for links over here to reviews of the Fundu Pro with other bands, because everything's basically identical. And that's it. It's a simple little band, very inexpensive, the MAKIBES QS100, coming to us from Geekbuying. Haven't heard from these guys for a while. Nice to see some new products flowing in. Check the show notes for a buying link and coupon discount if we have one for you. And we'll see you again here soon. Thanks for watching.